just need to clarify that we had said earlier that Ambassador Elkanah Odembo was supposed to join us. Unfortunately, he was not able to make it, and even we are not able to connect with him online, but he's apologized, and he'll be doing a show with us very soon because he's at the top of this. Let me get back to Mbaya. So how easy is it to get to this? Because I know you know that all these presidents must endorse him, all of them, or it's a section of them, or how many of them should endorse him in order for him to clinch that seat?
See, if it goes to a vote, then it'll have to be voted in by a majority of member states.
Majority.
But okay. I think there is an understanding in Africa that the position rotates. Francophone, Anglophone, and even within Anglophone, you have SADC region, you have East African region. So I think this is the time for East Africa. And it is up to East African countries to agree to propose one person from the region to contest. If it is indeed Honorable Raila Odinga being supported by the East African community, for instance, then probably it's an easier way for him to clinch the seat.
Does that automatically mean that the Francophone countries will have no position?
No, they are free to bring up a candidate. But the point is, there is an understanding that the seat rotates.
Okay.
So if that understanding holds, then probably it will be easier for Honorable Raila Odinga to...
On text or a gentleman agreement?
Well, generally a gentleman agreement, but it is in the spirit of AU understanding and consensus.
You have been there. How easy is it in your reflection for Raila Odinga to make the cut?
Let me make one or two just minor kind of underlining of what Ambassador said.
Go ahead.
To be elected as the chairperson of the African Union Commission and the deputy chairperson of the commission, you must garner two